All right, drink we're about to make is called, okay, I'm not going to try to say it. I am not Norwegian, but this is the Norwegian version of Prairie fire. All right, we're going to take a shot glass, actually a double shot glass, and we're going to measure out 2 ounces of tequila. So let's go ahead and pour that in. And we're going to add 2 ounces of Tabasco if we have enough here. But it really doesn't matter how much you add exactly. Really just going to decide how hot you want your Prairie fire to burn. So, let's just empty out this bottle. There we go. All right, let's just grab a straw here and stir it together. And find a Norwegian friend that will be able to pronounce the drink when you order it. And evidently you're going to have a Norwegian bartender as well that knows what the heck you're saying. Bottoms up.